Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm inside the greenhouse and I'm going to be not potting up, but planting some sweet potatoes so that I can get some slips. Sweet potatoes are grown from slips, unlike regular ruscus potatoes like we used to make potato salad, where you plant the potato itself. I've never done this before, so I'm giving it a try, and I'm going to be doing two methods because I see people put it in water like I did with my avocado, which worked brilliantly, and most folks say that putting it in soil is better. You'll get more slips, so let's see. Let's give it a try. So like I mentioned earlier, I want to sprout some sweet potato slips, and I'm trying this for the first time. I'm not an expert at this, but I love these Japanese red skin potatoes. They are the most amazing. I got these at an organic store, and so I have some seed starting mix. I don't think it matters. I'm going to put in the bottom of one of my seed starting trays, and I'm going to lay them out because they said this is the best method to get your slips to sprout. And the reason I'm not buying slips, I have not been able to find these particular ones anywhere. So I figure let's try to do my own. And it's as simple as nestling it in. This one's kind of chunky. So I'm going to do 3 in here. And I'm going to add some soil. I don't think it needs full coverage. And then I'm going to spray it down. Nice. That should be good. And I hear you don't want it to be sogging wet, so I'm going to use my magic sprayer. Just going to spray it down. And then I'm going to place it on the heat mat inside. Actually, I'm going to bring a heat mat out here because I'm in the greenhouse, and lay it on one of my metal racks and leave it plugged in and see what happens. Okay. Now, even though I did the soil method, I want to see if the water method works. So I have this other potato. I'm going to stick it in this jar. Some water on the bottom. So I'm just going to use this end. Okay. Let me get some more water. Which one did I say? I can't even remember. Okay. Alright. So that will work. I'm going to do the toothpick like I did with my avocado, which worked magnificently. And we'll see how this goes. Alright. So that, and then I'll show you guys the progress, and we'll see where we get better slips to determine how I do it next year. Alright. Okay, there you have it. I put it on the heat mat so it will stay nice and warm. And then over here I have the one in the glass jar. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day.